Alright, it's time to do repairs on the free Craigslist Jaguar that I got off of Craigslist. And I was debating on what I should do with this. And I figured I'd leave it up to the comments whether I should restore it or junk it, or like scrap it, I mean, or part it out or whatever. But about 60% of my YouTube comments said that there's too much work to be done, so I should part it out or scrap it or make it a drift derby car. And about 40% of people said how nice of a car it was and that it should be restored, and it should be restored really well and correctly. So I've decided to split the difference between those two. I'm going to restore it a bit. So the mediocreness of two worlds. I'm not going to scrap it like most people wanted me just to part it out or scrap it. But I'm not going to put like $2,000 or $3,000 into my beautiful restoration, because I mean, it is a free Jag. It's not, I don't think it's worth it. Plus the commenters agreed with me on that. So we've got some work to do. We got to fix the door handle there that doesn't work. We got to fix the circuit failures, the codes is throwing, and the suspension bushing, and do some body work. So I guess let's get started. All right, so I'm doing some work on the Jaguar with Beetle, and then my friend's doing some work on the Mustang, so we can get double cars done. And we are going to trade this Mustang for an MG in an upcoming video, which is why we're doing the work now. Anyway, let's get this Jaguar fixed up. It's currently got a bunch of electrical issues, and yeah, I think that's pretty much what we'll address in today's video. So here's the electrics. Basically, my codes are circuit 1 failure, circuit 2 failure, fueling failure, and low fluids and a low brake pad. Power fluid low, brake pad low, circuit 2 failure, circuit 1 failure, fueling failure. This is probably the circuit 1 or 2 failure. Is this fuse here is totally blown. So that's my circuit 1 failure or 2 failure. I forget whether circuit 1 is under the driver's side or passenger. Then over here on the driver's side, this is probably another one of the circuit failures. It's missing a fuse right there. So I'm gonna guess that's an issue. Okay, and I also found a burnt fuse here. So that's another burnt one. All right, I'm going to the store to get my fuses. All right, so here are the blown fuses, as you can see in there. We'll put in the new ones here. All right, so all three of the new fuses are in, and I put another couple in because they were just missing. I just put 10 amps in, so I'll take them out later. I don't actually know what amperage the ones that were missing were because they weren't in there in the first place. So I just guessed 10. Let's start it up, see if there's any difference. Brake pad low, low brake pressure, door open. Power fluid low. There it is. No circuit 1 failure or circuit 2 failure anymore, guys. Oh, and let's see if the blower fan works now. No. The blower fan did not work. I wonder if I just blew the fuse again. But anyway, no more circuit 1 failure or circuit 2 failures. You guys go through all the stuff. There it is. It's good stuff. Let me check the blower fuse, see if that's blown again. No, the blower fuse is still good, so I guess maybe the fan just doesn't work. So like you saw, we still have some codes. I think brake pad low and brake pressure low. It's braking just fine, and there's no grinding from any of the brake pads. So I don't know which one's low. I don't know if I want to even deal with that. It's not grinding, so who really cares? So maybe we'll work on some cosmetics next. I'm not sure. The engine and transmission are excellent. Those are the main mechanical things that you need to be working. You guys remember, none of the door handles worked. I've already fixed the driver's side. Oh shoot. I had the driver's side door fixed. I guess it broke again. The door was just locked. I have fixed the driver's door. So basically, under the door panel here, this linkage was just a little loose. So I assume that's what happened with all the rest of the doors. And I just need to take off all the door panels and tighten up the linkages like I did here. So let's put this door panel back on. So here's the door panel, and we just need to take this off so that the window switch can fit in the door. Separated the door panel from there. Now we can try to slide in the window switch like that. All right, so the bottom bit's on. Now we got to get the top bit there. Screw that in. All right, here's the door panel on totally. I had to duct tape it here and there because the guy had mangled it up pretty good and it did not stick together. Now it's together pretty good. This kind of looks gross and messy, but whatever, it's a free car. So there's your door panel. Isn't this just a nice sight to see? Only 2 error codes. So stop saying brake pressure low, but I don't know what that means. Power fluid might be brake fluid, but I checked the brake fluid reservoir and it's not low, but that would explain the low brake pressure if that was the issue. However, the brake fluid reservoir is still full, so I don't know if there's a separate anti-lock brake reservoir. I'll have to check. I'm gonna clean up this back seat a bit so it looks a little nicer. All right, I cleaned out the back seat a bit. Didn't vacuum it or anything, but at least the trash is out now. Looks pretty nice. A nice place to be back here. Put down my table. There we go. All right, I believe the next course of action for this repair video would be a car wash. We got some pollen on the hood. Got some dirt on the sides here. Look at all that dirt. Because I do live on a dirt road. Pollen on the trunk. So, pollen on the roof even. Let's just give her a good car wash. Alright, now I have a somewhat shiny Jaguar XJ6 Vanden Pla. There she is. Look at that. Oh yeah. I just need that prowling logo on the front there. And then I'll be good to go. Of course, this side does look quite a bit nicer than this side, which is missing chrome and has rust holes and also has duct tape on it. But it still looks pretty sleek. That's right, guys. I got the Jaguar emblem, hood emblem, to put on. I think that will add to the looks of this car. Not easy to work alone. So to put it on, I'm going to tape it here so that it doesn't fall off, because I don't want to take off the whole hood. That would be a pain. So I'm taping it on, propping it up with a piece of wood, and then I'm going to try to use this piece of paper towel to keep the bolt in so that it doesn't fall out like that. Put that on, screw it in through there, see if it works. And there's the emblem. That's what the car looks like now. There you go. So some of you guys were complaining about how the aftermarket chrome was hurting your eyes. But I don't even know which one's the aftermarket and which one's the original. So I'm just going to fix both of them, or not fix both of them, but fix the one. So this bottom stuff here is missing it on the driver's side door. Of course it has the redneck chrome duct tape, but it doesn't have the real chrome. So I have this left over from the Beetle, and it's a little bit too short for this door, but it's a free car and I'm not spending much money on it. And also it just looks, I think it looks weird missing that. So even if it just has this, which is a little too short, I think it'll look better. So I'm gonna add this chrome stripping. All right, so it's raining, it's midnight, and it's a thunderstorm and lightninging. I don't know if you guys saw that. This is gonna be the end of this video. I'm sorry we didn't get much done, but I am super duper swamped right now. It's crazy how much stuff I have going on. So I'll just show you in the dark what the chrome looks like. There you go. But yeah, we really did not get that much done in this video, but next video we're gonna dig into the suspension bushing and this rust stuff here. So yeah, stay tuned for that. There may be some like lawnmower repair videos in between, just because I have a lot of lawnmower content. But yeah, sorry we didn't get much done. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go to sleep.